$37,412.94. Good money, right? This money came from 40,715 hops. These are real people who clicked our affiliate links, from where they got answers to their questions, solutions to their problems. They liked those contents, they clicked our links, they decided to buy from us, and we were lucky to make money. And this luck is happening every single day. This is the simplest way to make money online, and this can be done by anyone from anywhere of any experience level, whether you're a complete beginner or you're a professional, you run an agency and you run a team. You can do it by yourself, you can do it using your team, and you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency if you want. Sounds good? I'm going to show you step by step how we help customers with information. By customers, I mean people who already purchased something and they have credit cards, and they use their credit cards to solve their problem. And when they purchase something, they are in trouble with using that purchase. They want to know more, learn more, and they are ready to spend money with their credit cards. We find those people, help those people using simple information in the form of simple videos. But good news, you don't need these kind of videos with cameras, microphones, recording, editing. You can use simple videos just like we do by using our software, artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. A link is in the description. Go grab it. So what Epic does is Epic allows us to make videos without microphone, without camera, using image, texts, and links. Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. When I need script, I'll just go to the text section, click the text generator, and generate text or script using artificial intelligence. And then Epic turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover. So I'll go to the audio section, click the text to audio if I want, choose my favorite voiceover, and put the text here that I want to use as voiceover script, and click submit. Just like this. And in a matter of seconds, the natural sounding voiceover is ready. How cool is that? And you see on the right hand side, these are the bite-sized videos that Epic makes, and then in one click, all those bite-sized videos are turned into any length of video. This is the video that we made yesterday. It took just a couple of minutes and the money-making video is done. Again, Epic is free for you. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Before we show you customers and how you can make money, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to do it together with you. We want you to participate in this venture. And for that, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. If you do that, they will know you as a helpful person. They will like you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. How cool is that? This is exactly how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of other people are making money every single day, and you can do it too. Go ahead, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, and share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. So don't miss out. Subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. Okay, let's move on. On Mac computers, we use free software called Numbers. This is the spreadsheet software of Mac. A lot of people use Google Spreadsheet. It's also kinda free. I say it kinda because Google charges for Drive use. But a lot of people, literally millions of people, use Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is not free. You need to buy it. And when you buy it, you are in a new trouble. You have to learn it. So for that, you go to places like YouTube, Google, even places like Udemy to learn how to use Excel. Now I remind you, Excel users are buyers. They have money, they already spend their money with their credit cards. And they will spend even more money to learn Excel because Excel is so useful. Excel has the ability to help you make money. Users know it already. And that is why, look at this online course on Udemy. It was sold to 289,586 students. The price point of $15. Siri, how much is 289,586 times 14.99?
289,586 times 14.99 is 4,340,894.14.
So, $4 million was made selling a simple course. Can you do it? Let me show you how you can do it. Online courses are nothing but bundle of videos. Go to the course content section and expand all sections, and you will see all these tiny size videos are what people looking for. These are the solutions to people's problems. These are the answers to people's questions. They are already free on YouTube, but still people buy. Now you don't really need to learn Excel yourself. All you need to do is to find what people are looking for, and then find the answers on YouTube, and then try it yourself using your own Excel. When you try something, take a screenshot. Let's say I take a screenshot of this part and then either copy it or go edit a little bit, make it a box, put an arrow. If you want to add a little text, add a little text. Once you are done, click done. Go to your Epic account, start a new video. And let's say you want to add a new slide. By the way, all our short videos are here, available for our users to use and start making money from today. But you want to start a new one, so click create. And you can add this image in 3 or 4 or 5 different ways. But I'm going to click here. This is one of my most favorite, and just paste, Ctrl V. Screenshot you have just copied is pasted here. Upload it. It's ready to use it here. Add it in the screen. If you want to say something, say it. You want to add some text, write it. You can add text from here. You want to add audio from here. Once you are done with your video, you can add as many sections or bite-sized videos as you want. Once you are done, click render and your video is ready. Once this video is ready, upload them on YouTube. You make short videos like shorts. You'll get extra benefit from YouTube because Shorts is a new feature. YouTube is trying its best to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Make short under 10 seconds to 1 minute long videos and publish on YouTube as Shorts. YouTube will give it extra care, send extra customers. Remember, all Excel users are customers. All these views you see here, 324,000 views, 125,000 views, 335,000 views on all these short videos. These are all customers. When you help them, they love you, they follow you, and eventually they buy from you. If you have a course, okay, so how can you have a course? It's very simple. After uploading a bundle of videos on YouTube, let's say on Instagram and TikTok as well, upload them on Udemy as well, and Udemy will send you customers. In the beginning, Udemy will not, because they don't know you. You don't have any feedback, you don't have students, you don't have any traction. So take the link of your course, put them in the description of your videos, and ask your viewers if they want more, they can get your course. First, you may give away your course for free. Look at this, there are 5,341 courses for free. Why? Because these guys don't have much traction yet, so they're giving away their course for free. A lot of people are getting those courses for free and leaving a rating and positive feedback. Udemy and Google will take notice and they will send you customers for free. That is the time your life will be completely passive, but till then, you sell using your own videos, your own shorts, and for that, Epic will make your life easy. Epic will make videos using 3 to 5 minutes of your times. That's exactly what we do and how we do, and help you make videos without camera, without microphone. And with these simple videos, you get customers and make money. Sounds good? You will make money from YouTube AdSense. You will make money from affiliate marketing. You will make money from Udemy or sites like Udemy. All from the bundle of videos you make using Epic. Epic is free, link is in the description, it starts from Epic. Go ahead, get Epic, start finding what people are buying, make them using Epic. Using 3 to 5 minutes of your times, start getting those customers from YouTube, TikTok and Instagram. Make a lot of money.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
You like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way and the fun way. We want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same, and you can participate in that. All you have to do is to hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and on social media timelines. Everybody know about this technique and let everybody get free access to Epic, all our other softwares. Links are all in the description. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. When you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube notifies you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.